First time fire. I still remember that first night, city lights fading in your eyes, innocent smiles and so shy, but something wild was burning inside. We talked like time didn't exist, every second felt like a promise. Your eyes said more than words could say, a quiet fire leading the way. When you looked at me, like destiny, whispering soft and slow. That first kiss, fire on your lips, sweet and deep. I still feel it when I held your hand. The world stood still, a simple touch, a powerful thrill. That first day, written in flame, nothing in my life soft and slow, driving me insane. I knew right there, without a doubt, this was the love I'd sing about. Your fingers fit right next to mine, like they were waiting all this time. No fear, no past, just you and me, a moment carved in memory. That first kiss, fire on your lips, pure desire in a gentle kiss. When I held your hand, I understood. Love can feel simple, love feels good. That first night living inside of me.